Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Together where me and my husband try some amazing recipes. Today we are making tandoori chicken. If you love tandoori chicken but don't want the hassle of a tandoor or deep frying pan, we've got you covered. Today we are making juicy, smoky and flavorful tandoori chicken using an air fryer. So let's get started. We are using 1 kg of chicken and we have taken the whole leg pieces. Now let's make a delicious tandoori marinade. Add 300 ml hung curd, 1 juice of whole lemon, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon pepper powder, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon garam masala, half teaspoon ajwain, 1 tablespoon chili powder and 2.5 tablespoon Kashmiri Chilli powder, 2 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 magic chicken cube crumbled. This is a secret ingredient for an extra boost of flavor. Now mix everything thoroughly and coat the chicken well. Make sure every piece is covered in the beautiful marinade. Once it's ready, here's the fun part. To get that restaurant-style smoky flavor, we are going to use a smoking method. Take a small container, place it in the center of the marinated chicken, drop in a piece of hot coal, sprinkle a pinch of garam masala over the coal, pour 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee on it, cover and let it sit for 5 minutes to let the smoke infuse into the chicken. Now remove the coal and let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. The longer the better. While our chicken is marinating, let's make a quick spicy onion salad to go with it. Take 2 onions, cut it into rings. To this, add some chili powder, salt, coriander leaves, olive oil, and squeeze half a lemon over it. Mix well, and there you have it, a fresh and tangy onion salad. Now it's time to air fry a beautifully marinated chicken. Grease the air fryer tray with oil. Place the marinated chicken pieces. And now air fry at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, brush on some chili butter for extra flavor and crispiness. And then air fry again for 18 minutes at same 180 degrees. And just like that, our juicy, smoky and crispy tandoori chicken is ready. Serve it with this spicy onion salad or some mint chutney and you've got yourself a restaurant-style meal at home. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Cooking Together for more delicious recipes. Try this out and let us know how it turns